Today, we will explore a critical topic in occupational safety: working at heights. This content is essential for anyone working in industries like construction, power, or mining. Whether you are an experienced engineer or worker or someone new to the field, make sure to watch this video to the end. The simple truth is that workplace accidents can happen to anyone, whether you're a manager, a seasoned professional, or a beginner. Regularly improving, revisiting, and expanding your knowledge is crucial. So, let's get started. Can you believe this? Here are the labor accident statistics for 2023 in Vietnam. There were nearly 7,400 workplace accidents involving over 7,500 victims. Among them, 699 people lost their lives, accounting for 9.3%, and 1,720 people suffered serious injuries, 22.9%. These alarming figures call for urgent solutions from authorities and managers to minimize incidents in the coming years. The sectors with the highest rates of fatal accidents include construction, mining, mechanical engineering, metallurgy, and more. This is the data related to the leading causes of fatal injuries. The number one cause, of course, remains traffic accidents. However, today, we will focus on the second leading cause: fatal injuries from falling from heights, which is also the subject of our discussion. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Nguyen. I have over 15 years of experience as a site supervisor, site manager, and eventually project director for construction and installation projects such as oil refineries, thermal power plants, and solar power projects. For those with years of experience working at construction sites or factories, the term working at heights might not be unfamiliar. However, for fresh graduates, young engineers, and especially new workers, this concept might still be vague, or at best, poorly understood. That's why we've created this video, to provide you with the most concise, useful knowledge so you can understand what equipment to prepare and rules to follow while working at heights to minimize risks of injury or accidents on site. I also hope that this video will equip you with valuable knowledge and experiences to give you confidence as you begin working at construction sites or factories, places where accidents, especially those involving working at heights, are frequent. What is working at heights? Working at heights is defined as any work performed in a position where, without proper safety measures, a worker could fall and suffer serious injury or death. Common scenarios include: 1. Above ground level, tasks performed on scaffolding, ladders, rooftops, or similar structures. 2. Below or level with ground, tasks near open holes, wells, or areas lower than the surrounding ground, where the risk of falling is still present. 3. Potential hazards, risks due to height, terrain, or unstable working environments. Typical examples include installing and repairing rooftops, cleaning high-rise windows, maintaining power systems on poles, or assembling steel structures. Working at heights requires strict adherence to safety measures, such as using safety harnesses, helmets, and fall prevention equipment to reduce risks. In some countries and projects, working at heights is specifically defined as work performed at heights of 2 meters or more, or in some cases, 1.8 meters or more. 2. What are the hazards of working at heights? There are various ways to define the dangers of working at heights, but the basic classifications are as follows. 1. Hazards of falling. Workers at height without proper protective equipment, e.g. safety harnesses, or incorrect use of such equipment may fall and suffer injuries or fatalities. 2. Hazards of falling objects. Workers at height dropping tools or materials onto people below, causing injuries or fatalities. 3. Preventive measures. For fall risks, use safety harnesses while working at heights. There are 2 types: one-hook harnesses for electricians and full-body 2-hook harnesses for other industries. Always ensure you are 100% secured when working at heights. If you need to move, a single-hook harness may not ensure your safety. Ensure proper use. Attach the harness to a fixed, stable anchor point that does not interfere with your work and can support your weight in case of a fall. Inspect the harness for quality before use. Helmets should always have chin straps fastened to prevent them from falling off in case of an accident. Even with a harness, injuries may occur from collisions with surrounding structures. Follow the 3 points of contact rule when climbing, e.g., 2 hands and 1 foot, or 2 feet and 1 hand in contact with the ladder at all times. For precarious and dangerous locations, install safety nets to protect workers. 2. For falling object risks, A. Do not carry heavy loads while climbing. B. Do not throw objects from heights. C. Do not have multiple teams working simultaneously with one above the other. D. Use straps for tools prone to falling, e.g. hammers, wrenches. Attach light tools to your safety harness and heavy tools to a fixed, stable point. E. Use bags to store small, easily dropped items, e.g. bolts, nuts, scaffolding locks. F. Elevated work platforms should have debris guards to prevent items from falling. G. Install safety nets to prevent materials from falling and hitting people below. H. Set up barricades and warning signs below areas with height work activities. I. Assign a lookout to prevent unauthorized entry into areas where work at height is ongoing. These measures apply to direct workers. For managers, additional policies to control risks are also necessary, such as implementing a permit-to-work PT-DUSH system, conducting effective daily toolbox meetings (TBM) to remind workers of safety compliance. Lastly, it is essential to emphasize that every worker must foster a sense of self-discipline and responsibility in adhering to workplace safety regulations to protect their health, lives, colleagues, and valuable equipment. I hope the information shared here provides you with a new perspective on safety and working at heights. Let me know if you need further adjustments.